Hello everyone, welcome to Akshaya Solutions. Today, I am excited to showcase a simple and effective law management system designed especially for lawyers and legal professionals to manage their clients' cases, hearings, documents, and payments all in one place. Now, let's first talk about the problem statement. Many lawyers still manage their daily activities using notebooks, scattered files, WhatsApp chats, emails, or manual registers. Because of this, it becomes difficult to efficiently track hearing dates, case documents, client details, and payments. To solve this problem, we developed this application to organize everything in a single, secure, and easy to use system. So, now let's quickly jump into the application and I will walk you through each module that lawyers can use in their daily routine process. This is the login page of the application. To access the system, users need to provide their username and password details. If you are a first time user or if you want to give access to your colleagues or office staff, you can simply click on create account and you can register the new user and use the application in a secured format. All the pages inside the application are protected with authentication so that unauthorized users cannot access the system. Now, I am entering the details which I have already registered in the application. I am giving the password details and once we click on login, we are redirected to the dashboard page. The dashboard provides a quick overview of your daily legal operations. Here you can see the total number of clients, total number of cases, and how many of them are in pending, active, and closed status, total payments received for the year, and upcoming hearing schedules information. This helps lawyers quickly understand their work status at a glance. You can also see the upcoming hearing section where hearing dates, stages, and case details are displayed clearly so that important schedules are never missed. Additionally, the CADE categories are displayed in a pie chart format for a better visualization. Another useful feature is the year filter option placed at the top, which allows lawyers to track their yearly progress and analyze the data based on the selected year. Now, let's quickly go through each module one by one. This is the client module. Here, you can create, read, update, and delete the client information easily. Currently, I am displaying the minimum client information in a consolidated format in the table like client name, phone, address, and city state details. Let's quickly add a one sample client so that how it will appear in the table. Let's say I am giving the name as Sunil, some random number, and I am not giving email address here because this is not a mandatory field. Some Bajar and city name is Bapatla. Some I am giving the state as Andhra Pradesh and the country would be India, and I am not giving any of the other fields because those are optional fields. Now try to click on save. The client details got added successfully and you can see the client information that is being displayed at the first row of the table. And coming to edit and delete options, if you want to edit this particular client information, you can simply click on this edit icon and you can update the details whatever you want. For example, I am trying to update the email address for this client, sunil@gmail.com, and I want to update his identity ID proof type, other, some random number, save. The client details got updated successfully. This table is a consolidated format of complete client information. If you want to see the individual client details fully, you have to click on edit icon to see the complete information. Now, if you want to delete any particular client information, you can simply click on delete, and if you are particularly sure to delete, then you can simply click on yes, otherwise you can ignore it by clicking on no button. So this is the overall clients module, and I have provided you a global search operation at the top where you can simply search the client information by providing any of the table column details, like you can provide a name column details or phone, address and city, like this. This is how the global search will work. Next is the cases module. Here, lawyers can manage all case related information linked to the specific clients. Again, the initial table shows the consolidated information for the specific case and the client details. In the table, initially I am showing few of the mandatory information like case number, title, and the client name, what is a court, and whether it is a open, pending or closed status, and next hearing date of the particular case. Let's quickly add one case details for the client which we have added just now. That is for Sunil case client. So once we click on add case, the case form will be popped up, and I am selecting a client as Sunil, like case SUN101. This is the case number I want to give, like home dispute, and the type would be civil, and the court name is a district court, and filing date is nothing but the date which I am trying to add the case details, like today, let's say tomorrow 18th, and I am setting the case status as open, and I am clicking on save case. Once you click on save case, the details got added successfully, and you can see that the particular record will be showing as a first record in the table. If you want to edit the case details, you can simply click on edit, and you can update the information accordingly. Case info. Just click on save. The details got updated successfully. And in the same way as per clients, if you want to delete any of the case information, simply click on delete and proceed with yes to delete the case. Otherwise, ignore it. Each case is connected to a client, making it easy to track complete case history and the details efficiently. And next, hearings module. This is the hearings module of the particular case, where if you want to add a specific hearing, you can simply click on this eye icon that is being displayed in each row of the table, so that you can view all the hearings specific to the particular case. Okay, so currently this case doesn't have any hearings as of now. uh, for example, let's add one hearing for this particular case. Once you click on add hearing, the add hearing form will be popped up, and let's say 18th stage would be stage 1, and adjourned, and next hearing for this case would be, hmm, let's say I want to give as 22nd. Save. Once you click on save, the hearing will be added successfully for the particular case. And as I said previously, a case can have multiple hearings. So I just want to add one more hearing. Let's say now I want to add this next hearing, 25th, stage 2, and result would be adjourned, and next hearing would be 30th of this month. Save. Now this particular case has two hearings. You can see all the hearings in a timeline format for a easy understanding. For example, if you want to add one more hearing, you can repeat the same process. Now this particular case has two hearings. One hearing is on 22nd May and another hearing is on 30th May. So the latest next hearing date would be 30th May. So this particular date will be popped up under the initial main grid of this particular table as a next hearing column. This is how the case and hearings module will work. Next, coming to the documents module. Here lawyers can upload and manage all case related documents securely. Here I am just showing the consolidated documents information in a table format, like case, file, and which date they have uploaded to the system. If you want to just view the document, then you can simply click on I icon and the document will be showing in a new tab. And if you want to download the document, you can simply click on download option. In the same way as per clients and cases, if you want to delete the document, you can simply click on delete and proceed with yes to delete the document, otherwise ignore it. For example, let's say I want to upload a document for the case that I have added, for Sunil's case. Yeah, this is a Sunil case, and I am showing the information with the case and the type of the issue. Home dispute, and I am trying to add this particular file. Upload. Once you upload, the document got added successfully and it is being placed at the top of the table. This is how the documents module will work. And same, the global search operation is same for all the columns that are being popped up, that are being showed in the table. Once you provide the respective search criteria, the results will be filtered accordingly in the below table. Next is the payments module. Using this module, lawyers can maintain payment records received from the clients along with the payment dates and the case details. This is the consolidated payments information which I have been showing in the table, like case, amount, date, and mode of the payment. For the sample purpose, I am trying to add one payment for the case that I have added for Sunil's case. and I'm selecting the date as 18th and some initial payment. UPI mode, payment mode would be UPI, and notes would be some initial advance given. Try to click on save. Once you click on save, the same the information got added successfully, and you can see the record in the table. If you want to update the payment information later, you can simply edit the payment and update the details. If you want to delete, just click on the trash icon and proceed with delete payment option. Otherwise, ignore it. This helps in tracking the client payments clearly and maintaining the financial transparency. All the information is automatically updated and reflected in the dashboard based on the selected year. Let's go to dashboard. All the information which you have performed from clients to payments will be updated and automatically reflected in the dashboard based on the selected year, which allows you a quick overview of your daily legal operations. It also helps you easily monitor your case activity and financial progress and overall business growth for the year. So this is the overall law management system application. Using this system, lawyers can efficiently manage their day-to-day legal activities all from one centralized application. This is currently the base version of the application, and additional features can be customized based on the individual lawyer and office requirements. If you are interested, feel free to contact us. We will help you to set up and customize the application according to your needs. Finally, this is one of the sample software application developed by Akshaya Solutions. Apart from this, we also develop customized software applications for various business industries such as real estate, schools and colleges, preschools, clothing stores, financial, fancy stores, supermarkets, inventory and stock management, accounts and billing systems. And even if your business type is not listed on the list which I have just mentioned, not a problem. Just contact us and share your business requirements, and we will help you to develop a customized software solution tailored specifically for your business needs. If you are looking to simplify your daily operations and manage your business more efficiently, feel free to contact us. Akshaya Solutions, your one-stop solution for all your business needs. Thank you for watching.